what's going to happen is I'm going to flip it into fly-by-wire mode, and it should transition into airplane mode, and we should be flying. So here we go. Wow, it worked. I can't believe it. I mean, if it keeps coming down on this approach, it is gonna nail it. Wow. All right, so here we go with this maiden voyage, and honestly, it's went so much more, I don't know, not difficult, but there's just been so much more to it than I thought there was going to be, that it kind of has annoyed me right now. I hate being and feeling annoyed for a maiden flight, but I guess that's better than nervous, I guess, because at this point I'm just so over it. I just want it to go. So we've got a lot of new stuff going on. We've got walk snail, we've got obviously the RD pilot, we've got the VRX going on here, all kinds of stuff. So the main thing I'm hoping to get here obviously is just a launch. Got so many errors on everything trying to get this thing ready to go, so it's pretty much now or never. So the way this Vtol works is you arm it and you control the throttle. It doesn't go to like a set position. You kind of like take it up as high as you want to. It'll try to maintain its position as well as it can, and then when you're ready to fly, you just flip the switch. Return home, it should do everything itself. So let's see if we can arm first. All right, we're arming. Let's see if we got our props on right. Okay. Man, that's pretty stable. There's a little bit of wind. So it yawls when it is in copter mode, but not when it is in plane mode. So that's looking pretty good, just kind of hanging out right there, that's for sure. I am pretty happy thus far. Now I'm getting a little bit nervous. So we're going to take this thing up, and what's going to happen is I'm going to flip it into fly-by-wire mode, and it should transition into airplane mode, and we should be flying. So here we go. Wow, it worked. I can't believe it. Oh, HD video, amazing. Now I'm not sure I like this fly-by-wire A mode. It seems like it's very restrictive. Let's see, we're flying at about 60% throttle, and I'm just kind of looking at everything here. 100 meters from home, and we're at an altitude of about 82 meters. 50 meters is our return to home altitude. I definitely don't want to like get too far away and have any crashing issues or anything. Voltages and everything look good. Man, the HD video with the walk snail is pretty nice. Give it a little bit more throttle. Man, I can't believe it's working that well. All right, so what am I gonna do here? I wanna test the actual launch thing. So I've got like a goggle battery warning going on. That's just flipping fantastic. So let's fly this thing out here, and we are going to flip and do Vtol approach return to home. And let's just see if this thing brings itself home and does what it's supposed to do. As long as it decides to come home and not hit that tree and not overshoot me. So it's air braking and transitioning. There it is right there. And it looks like it might be trying to overshoot me. No, it's actually gonna do it. Jeez, this is crazy. I can't believe that this is working this good. Power lines right there. So, now I've heard that these things can be a little silly when they get close to the ground. So, I mean, I took off from like right there, and it looks like it's gonna, I mean, if it keeps coming down on this approach, it is gonna nail it. Wow. Disarm. How about that? Jeez. And there she is, right there. Land complete. Wow. I can't believe that just happened. So I guess all of the crazy hard work that I did actually paid off. I mean, I kind of knew it would, but it took a lot longer to get it done than I thought.